Okay. We must be getting closer to a point where we're going to do the split.
Maybe, but I'm going to California again today.
Okay.
So,
Well,
till further notice.
okay,
So
well,
I don't know that.
I got you. Okay. Well, I'm in DeLand today. What we're on, is over here is number 6, the number Vov on page Tov Kuf Yud. Number Vov went on the phrase reading the black print on the upper right column. He says, Eloyin Shimu Yonim Shamu, Inin Demichen de Chevron, those who were sleeping in Chevron, V'rayim Mehemna, also the mind of Mehemna, Ita Aracha Meshinazacham, they're wake up from your sleep. And then he goes on and it says, Ve'elu V'yosh Chevron. Let me see, I got this all screwed up. I'm going so fast. So he says, Elu Yisheni Chevron, the Haidach of Avos of Kedoshim, Moshe Rabeinu of Roha and Emon, his order of the Shinazcham. So he said, get up from your sleep. Now let's come down here to number Vov. And we'll do as much as we can in the time that we have. Let's see how this is going. There it goes. So he says like this, Moshe Rabeinu ben Yocha Kodem, Shagida of Chasodis, Omer La'avos of the Moshe Rabeinu, all of B'sholah became the Shar Tzadikim, Shehem Yisa'anro, Mishinazim, Kedei, why? The higher Hashchina, to arouse the Shchina, Misod Hashchina Begalus. Shchina is sleeping in Galus. Bir, the Vorov is this. This is what ELIYAHU is saying. Ki yudur ki ikur sod hagalos l'malach b'kul sod histalkus amistalkus histalkus amochin b'zer'ad b'zer v'nuk. That's what galus. That's the origin of galus. This is when the zocher and nuk are separated. B'kul sod hashena shene'emba b'pasuk ani yishena v'libi air. What does air mean here? Pirushu hukach. Ki yudur m'sefer v'sefer kavonos. Achar chuben beis mikdash mistalkim amochin b'zer anpen. So he said, "V'zer v'nuk, b'yom acher tefillas, b'yom acher tefillas shakris v'lom nisharem." So he says that took place b'yom acher, in another day, or then after the day afterwards. Tefillas shakris and tefillas b'yom tefillas nisharem rak harishima shalom. Everything is gone except that v'zer v'nuk. Above a lot of the stalking of Rishim, but at that night, even the Rishima left, Shalom Mochin V'zer V'nuk, Ela Sheyesh Chidach B'bein, the Nufa D'zer Anpin, Ki Rishima D'zer Anpin, Mistalik the Gamri, because over there the Rishima from Zer Anpin himself left completely. He said, V'yotze al Rosho, and it went up onto the top of his head like a makif. Rishima the Nukva, a Nisha, but the Rishima, the Nukva, that aspect of the completeness that was in the Nukva remained to Zer Anpin, inside of Zer Anpin, to be given to her, so to speak. Mamish b'makom halev de Zer Anpin. So we've seen this before. Misham ku meir l'nukva. From that place, he shines out to the female, to his female counterpart. Zehu ani yishena ani yishena. I am sleeping. Ki Zer Anpin medaber al atzvach b'bechinas stalkus b'menu. So I had this phone going off over here. I'm on the road today also. So Ani Yisheda ki Zer Anpin medaber al atban bebechinas stalkus b'menu v'gam medaber al hanukva, and also he's speaking about the nukva. B'zech she'omer Ani Yishena b'Hashem, that I am sleeping. This is called shaining. Maybe it means bo. Sleeping bo. V'gam Ani gematria, also the word Ani is the gematria of the shame ben im teisha osya. So what do we get out of that? Yudur kasher mistalkin the mochin Zer Anpin. Ozku bebechinas katnus she'ein roy lizivuk. Ki ikra hazivuk hu al yedera b'dash hu b'tso the mochin kanoida, which is where the mochin wind up and going through das. V'alkein az lo yesh yichul the malda besod gam nefesh below das lo tov, that a nefesh without das can't do much. But I am betikun yod chesed shekasav, what I write there, sham Shehem Yicholda the Hamshech Hamochim Ma'ava Ve'ima Dezer Anpin Ella Ayidecha Besod Torah. Shehem Besod Abba Ve'ima. Interesting. Besod is on Istaras Hashem, the hidden part which is Abba Ve'ima, is not part of our world. Shekoi al Abba Ve'ima Ganal. V'chein Rebbe Shimon ben Yochai Kodem Shegidach of the Sodas Amad Avos together with Moshe Rabeinu all of Shalom the Lushar and Tzadikim Shehem Yisa'arach of Bishnason a Kulum. There should be a nun there, I think. Lahoyer v'lahakitz Shekhinah to why to arouse and to wake up the Shekhinah so the Shena Begalos. Behind the Kiyudua Sha'avos the Avos Shavos Ein Misod Chesed Gavur and Teferes of the Zer Anpin. B'Shar HaTzadikim Hein B'Sod Netzach and Hod Yisod the Zer Anpin. V'Sechem Nekroim B'Shem Shoch Ne'afer, and they're called sleeping in the dust or lying in the dust. Ki Yedua Malchus Nikras B'Shem Afer V'Ha'aref and the Netzach of Hod and the Nai are called of Ranai. Or I guess the Yichud Kenoida Hey Nikroim B'Shem Shoch Ne'afer. Now I read that again. I know we're out of time, but I get so kind of mixed up in there. Ki Yedurim Malchus Nikra B'Shem Afer Ha'aretz. The Netzachod Yisod, and then there's Netzachod Yisod. So he said, Yichud Kenoida, by making a Yichud, Hein Nikroim B'Shem Shoch Ne'afer. In other words, they're dwelling on, there's a Yichud there between Malchus and the Nai. Gam came Ba'avros B'Loshans Inun Demichin Chevron. They're also called those who are sleeping in Chevron. Ki Yudua Shem Chevron. Let's take the name Chevron. Who b'malchus she'amar b'zohar b'parsha shalach l'chol b'zol l'shon of Chevron do arisa man the ishtad b'ikre chaver. So Chevron is a joined together idea. V'hai Chevron mitayr shebechasav nafkas. So this we learn from the written Torah. V'ratz alomaki mishum ishtad of the hal alos mayim lukvim. The Malchus, who sowed Torah Shabal Peh, Ikri B'Shem Chaver. That's a Chaver because there's a Yichud takes place there. Because you're able to join the Mayim Nukvin together. Oz Gam came by Yedera B'Machem Nukmen Mischaver of the Malchus in Zer Anpin. That's how she goes up. She finds her way to Zer Anpin. V'ikr K'vonis Rebbe Shimon ben Yochai. What's he trying to say? Three more lines. He said, Rebbe ben Yochai, Kedei L'Yachei L'Michan L'Yachei Amidas. In order to bring all the Midas is Zer Anpin into oneness. Okay, Amba B'Loshen D'Zech of Moshe Rabeinu all of Shalom who besod the Das. Shehu, he's the power. Shehu Miyisod the Abba Ve'ima. That's where everything ultimately comes from. We need Moshe Rabeinu in that deal. Ayin Masha Kasavdi B'tikun Vov V'havin. Do you have time to do the last part or stop here?
You can do it.
Okay, let's go and let's see if we can get it. So okay, his order of the Avos Moshe. So therefore, that combination has to go together. Ki Moshe, who's Das. Who's Yesod Hadas, which is the Sod Hadas, the secret of Das, Sod Mochin. Yehim is order the Avach of the Shar Tzadikim, Shehem Besod Chesed Gavur and Teferes, Netzachod Yesod is their own pen. Misod Mishinasam, from the secret of their sleep Kedei, Lahoyer Gam came Al Yedech came Al Yadeh. So that we can also make a chibur there because she's sleeping in Gala. How did this happen? Because of what we're doing. We're learning Torah. We're in the Sodas of Torah, the hidden part of what actually has happened because of the departure of the Lechein Amar Kain. Therefore, he says like this: Oz Kodem Shehoya Megala Hasoda. So therefore. He's going to start now in the Tikkun Zohar to start saying the secrets. All of that idea. That refers really to, I think, the Gar. Not the Gar, to the Chaga, to the Avos. V'amar achar kach, the ad kan tzedikayu kuhu d'michim v'shin tzechah b'choreichem, so they're still lying in their graves sleeping. Ratzalomaki heim lo choyim mistaklim the roast be'inechem al-sodas ateru v'ol came nimshach ha'yedecha v'zecha shagam came lamala yesh, so the shayna, so since they're not making a yichud in Chevron, so he's done a big time shot in Chevron. Chevron is the place where the actual yichud is going to ultimately take place by arousing the das of Moshe Rabeinu into the fathers. The Chaim Rabbi Shimba ben Yochai hoya megalach hasodas atayra kadei sha'al yedecha b'sodas yochel histaking the mala of this order of bechinas so the shena ber Yitzchak. That's for the ber Yitzchak. Thanks, Rabbi. Listen, Hatzlacha, California. I wish you would keep me informed of what's going on over there. Okay, call through.